Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. This video is for ICSE board students. Here we are going to solve some prove that questions of exercise 22A of trigonometry. In the I link above, I have shared the video of the introduction to trigonometry where I have explained in detail the concept of trigonometry and some easy tricks to remember the formulas. So as to understand the solutions, you need to first go through the video, and also if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Right? Now let us start with our video. This is the summary of important formulas. The first one here is the reciprocal identity. So reciprocal means cosec reciprocal of sine, sec is reciprocal of cos, cot is reciprocal of tan. Then comes the quotient identity, the second one. Quotient identity means sine upon cos is tan, sine upon cos is tan, cos upon sine is cot, then tan into cot will be 1. So from this one, tan into cot will be 1. Then comes third, the Pythagorean identity here. So this is sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1, sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay, then 1 plus tan square a or tan square a plus 1 equal to sec square a, and in this case it is 1 plus cot square a equal to cosec square a. And from these three main formulas you can evaluate it further, these two formulas more. Okay, so in the video that I have shared in the I link will give you detailed knowledge of evaluating the formulas, so that is very important to go through that video first. And here also we are going to use these expansion formulas, that is a plus or minus b the whole square equal to a plus or minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b, and a cube plus or minus b cube equal to, if it is plus you have to write here a plus b, and a square minus ab plus b square, and if it is minus here in the question you should write a minus b and a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that these expansion formulas are also required to solve the prove that questions of trigonometry. Now the 21st question, from question 1 to 20 I have made another video. Now in this video we are going to solve from question number 21 to question number 39. So this is 21st question. The question given is 1 plus cot a minus cosec a and 1 plus tan a plus sec a. Okay, so this is 1 plus cot means here you have to write cos a upon sin a, and cosec means 1 upon sin a, that is the property of reciprocal. Okay, so and quotient 1. So this is tan means 1 plus sin a upon cos a, and sec means 1 upon cos a. You have to substitute these values. Now prove that means it is LHS equal to RHS that you have to prove. So we are solving here LHS and you have to prove it to equal to RHS. So now this becomes your first bracket. So here the denominator is sin a common, take the LCM of sin a here. So it will be sin a, and multiply each term with sin a here, so it will be sin a plus cos a, and here it will be sin a will get cancelled, so it will be 1 here. Similarly in this case the denominator is cos a, so take the LCM of cos a, it will be cos a plus sin a, and plus it will be 1. Now this is become like a formula. Suppose this first bracket as a and this 1 as b here. Okay, so this is a plus b and a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square formula. So this will be sin a plus cos a the whole square minus 1 the whole square, this is a square minus b square upon sin a cos a. Keep the denominator as it is. So it is sin, now this is a square minus b square. Okay, now this one, take this bracket sin a plus cos a the whole square, it is a plus b the whole square. So you have to use this expansion here. So A means sine and B means cos here. So sine square A plus cos square A plus 2 sine A cos A and minus 1. Right? Now sine square A plus cos square A is 1 here, that we have seen in the Pythagorean identity, and plus 2 sine A cos A minus 1. Plus minus 1 will get cancelled. So what is remaining is 2 sine A cos A upon cos A sine A. Therefore sine A cos A will get cancelled. So it is 2. That is your RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. The second one here is sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square. You have to prove it equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This was asked in 2018. Now this is A plus B the whole square. So write the expansion. This is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Again A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. So now rearrange the functions here. This is sin square A plus cos square A, this one, then plus cosec square A plus sec square A, then comes this term plus 2 sin A, and cosec here means 1 upon sin A, and plus 2 last term cos A, sec means 1 upon cos A. Now this sin A will get cancelled, sin A and cos A will get cancelled here. So you are getting sin square A plus cos square A, that is also equal to 1. Then remains what? Cosec square A plus sec square A, and 2 plus 2 will be 4. Okay, so this is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus cosec means 1 plus cot square A, and sec means 1 plus tan square A. So 5, 6 and 7. So that is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, or you can write 7 plus as it is written in the question. You can rearrange the terms. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, that is your RHS. So here LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Question 23, it is cube, it is given, so it is plus in the center. So cos cube A plus sin cube A, and this is cos A plus sin A. Okay. Now write the expansion for this numerator here. So it will be for the addition one. So this will be A plus B, that is cos A plus sin A, and A square minus AB plus B square. So cos square A minus cos A sin A plus sin square A, upon the denominator as it is cos A plus sin A, plus this plus, and this term I have written here. Now this is A cube minus B cube, this one. So write its expansion here, cos A minus sin A, cos square A plus cos A sin A plus sin square A. This is the arrow I have shown, and the denominator. Now here numerator and denominator is getting cancelled, plus plus term and minus minus term is getting cancelled. So what is remaining? So write it here, that is cos square A minus cos A sin A plus sin square A plus cos square A plus cos A sin A and plus sin square A. This whole bracket and this whole bracket you have to write it here. Now you can see two terms with opposite signs. Okay, so cos A sin A will get cancelled, and you are getting here now cos square A sin square A, cos square A sin square A, that will be 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and that is equal to RHS. So we needed to prove the LHS will be equal to 2. Okay, hence proved. 24th question, tan upon 1 minus cot A plus cot upon 1 minus tan is. For tan you have to substitute 1, cot you have to substitute 1 upon tan. So this cot we have substituted 1 upon tan here. Take the LCM. it will be tan minus 1 upon tan. Now this tan will move up. Okay, so it will be tan square a upon tan a minus 1, and keep this as it is up to this step. Now here it is tan minus a, and in this case it is 1 minus tan. So if you rearrange this, so this plus will become minus. So this is minus cot a upon tan a minus 1. Now since these two denominators are same, so it will be tan square a minus cot a upon tan a minus 1. Okay, now in this cot you have to substitute 1 upon tan, so take it LCM. So it will be tan cube a minus 1 upon, write this tan in the denominator, tan a, and this bracket tan a minus 1. Now here again it is a cube minus b cube, so write this expansion here, tan a minus 1, tan square a into tan a into 1 is tan a, and 1 square is 1, and the denominator tan a bracket tan a minus 1. So this minus bracket will get cancelled here, and we know that tan square a plus 1 equal to sec square a. So in these two terms you have to put sec square a and plus tan a upon tan a. Now write the denominator 2 times, that is sec square a upon tan a and tan a upon tan a. So tan a here will get cancelled in this case. Okay, so this is sec square a upon tan a plus 1. Now sec square a means 1 upon cos square a, and tan a means sin upon cos. Take its inverse now, this will be cos upon sin. Cos here will get cancelled, 1 cos from here and here. So it will be 1 upon cos a into sin a plus 1. 1 upon cos a means sec a, and 1 upon sin a means cosec a, and plus 1, that is your RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. In this case here, tan plus sin and tan minus sin, you have to prove equal to sec plus 1 and sec minus 1. So here we are going to substitute tan as sin upon cos and sec as 1 upon cos. So tan sin upon cos plus sin, and here also same. Take the LCM of cos now to the numerator and denominator. So it will be sin plus sin cos upon cos theta, and cos theta will get cancelled from the denominators of both numerator and denominator. So this is your now LHS, sin plus sin theta cos theta upon sin minus sin theta cos theta. Now take sin theta common from both the terms. So it is sin theta, it will be 1 plus cos theta, that will remain in the bracket, and this will be sin theta 1 minus cos theta. So again here sin theta will get cancelled, this one. So the remaining is 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. This is your LHS. Now sometimes you don't get the similar answers, that once you solve LHS you don't get the RHS. So for RHS also you have to solve here. Now here sec means what? 1 upon cos, that is cos theta plus 1, and this also 1 upon cos theta minus 1. If you take the LCM, it will be 1 plus cos theta upon cos theta and 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta. So this cos theta will get cancelled, and what is remaining is 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So your LHS is equal to RHS here, and hence proved. 26th question. Cot plus cosec minus 1 and cot minus cosec plus 1. Okay. So in place of 1 here at the numerator, substitute cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay. So this is a square minus b square. So write a plus b, a minus b here. Now from these two terms, plus is the common one, bracket. So take out common. So here it will remain 1 minus cosec minus cot. Now take the minus sign inside and rearrange the functions here. So this minus cosec will be there, and plus cot will become plus, minus is plus. So cot theta minus cosec theta and plus 1. So the numerator and the denominator bracket are same. So what is remaining is cosec plus cot. But cosec means 1 upon sin and cot means 1 upon cos. Sin is common for the denominator. So it is 1 plus cos upon sin, that is RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Question 27 here is cot a plus 1, cot a minus 1 upon 2 minus x square a. Okay. So here cot A minus 1 and 2 minus sec square A, you have to substitute as 1 plus tan square A. So here I am substituting it 1 plus tan square A. Okay, we are solving the LHS here. So 1 plus tan square A. Now open, if you open this bracket, it will be minus 1 minus tan square A. So 2 minus 1 is 1 minus tan square A. So this is A square minus B square. It will be A plus B and A minus B. Okay. Now in the numerator, substitute cot as 1 upon tan A minus 1, and this is as it is 1 plus tan A, 1 minus tan A. Take the LCM here, 1 minus tan A, and the denominator, this tan A, you have to write here tan A, 1 plus tan A, 1 minus tan A. Now in the numerator and denominator, you can see this whole bracket will get cancelled. So it will be 1 upon tan A and 1 plus tan A. Okay, 1 upon tan, here it will be cot A and the denominator will be 1 plus tan A, and that was your RHS. Okay, hence proved. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Question number 20. So question 28, 1 upon sec A plus tan A minus 1 upon cos A. Now this is the first term that you have to rationalize here. Rationalize means if it is plus here, multiply to the numerator and denominator with the opposite sign. So it is plus, so I am multiplying with minus here, and minus 1 upon cos A. Now this has become your A plus B, A minus B pattern. It is A square minus B square. So sin sec square A minus tan square A, and numerator will be sec A minus tan A minus 1 upon cos A. So sec A minus tan A, therefore this denominator will become 1. This is the Pythagorean formula, identity formula, and minus 1 upon cos A. Now in place of 1 upon cos A, substitute sec A. Okay, take the minus common here from these two terms. So it will be tan A plus sec A. Now again multiply with a sec A minus tan A to the numerator and denominator. So it will be tan square A minus sec square A minus tan square A, that is again 1 to the numerator. Sec square A minus tan square A is 1, and the denominator is sec A minus tan A again. That was your required RHS. So again in place of sec A, you have to substitute 1 upon cos A, and this will be 1, and the denominator sec A minus tan A. That is LHS equal to RHS. Similar question here, sin upon cot A plus cosec A, rationalize the denominator. So this will be cosec minus cot I have written here. You can write here cot plus cosec plus cot, because the formula is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So this becomes A plus B, A minus B here. Okay, and in the numerator for the cosec you write 1 upon sin A, and for cot you write cos upon sin, and the denominator becomes 1 as per the Pythagorean identity. Now since the denominator here is sin A, so it will be sin A 1 minus cos A upon sin A. Sin will get cancelled, so it will be 1 minus cos A. That is your LHS. Now again here you have to solve the RHS also. It is 2 plus sin cot minus cosec. So again rationalize the denominator. It is minus here. You have to do the multiplication with the plus 1. Okay. So this will be sin A cosec plus cot, and the denominator is A square minus B square, that is cosec square minus cot square A. So that is 1 here, and evaluate this one. Now cosec is 1 upon sin, cot means cos upon sin, sin denominator take it common, so it will be 2 minus sin 1 plus cos A upon sin A. Sin will get cancelled, so it is 2 minus 1 bracket 1 plus cos A. So if you open the bracket, it will be 1 minus cos A. So here for LHS also you got 1 minus cos A, and for RHS also you got 1 minus cos A, hence LHS equal to RHS. So these are some lengthy prove the following questions. Question number 30 here is cot A minus tan A. So LHS will be equal to, for cot I am substituting cos upon sin, cos A upon sin A. For tan you have to put sin upon cos. Okay, so take the LCM now. this will be sin A cos A, and here it will be cos square A minus sin square A. Now in place of sin square A, I am substituting 1 minus cos square A. So cos square A minus bracket 1 minus cos square A and denominator as it is sin A cos A. No sign means it is multiplication here. Now if you open the bracket, it will be cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A and sin A cos A. So it is 2 times cos square A minus 1 upon sin A cos A, which is your RHS. Okay, so LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Question 31st. This is under root of 1 plus cos A, 1 minus cos A. You have to prove it equal to cosec plus cot A. So here also we are going to rationalize the denominator. The denominator is having minus sign. You have to multiply with the plus 1 plus cos A, and to the numerator also 1 plus cos A. This becomes A plus B, A minus B, and this is 2 times plus means whole square. So 1 plus cos A the whole square, and this will be 1 square minus cos square A. Okay, so this is 1 plus cos A the whole square, and 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. That is the formula, Pythagorean identity. Okay, now if you remove this square root and this bracket, so this is square, that will be cancelled. So what will remain is 1 plus cos A, and to denominator also it will be sin A. Now split the denominator, 1 upon sin A and cos A upon sin A. So 1 upon sin A means cosec A, and cos upon sin means cot A, and that is your RHS, hence proved. Okay, so this is the similar to question 31st. Here 1 plus sin A is given, so you have to multiply with the negative sign, 1 minus sin A. Okay, so this will become 1 minus sin A the whole square, and this will be 1 minus sin square A. Now 1 minus sin square A means cos square A. Now we want to remove the square root, so square will also be removed. So it will be 1 minus sin A upon cos A. Split the denominator, so 1 upon cos will be sec, and sin upon cos is tan. That is equal to your RHS. Question 33. This is cot square A and cosec plus 1 the whole square. So cot means I am substituting here cosec square minus 1, that is cot. Now this is A plus B, A minus B. You have to split it into this pattern, and this is cosec plus 1 the whole square. So plus 1 bracket will be cancelled here. So what will remain? Cosec A minus 1 and cosec A plus 1 to the numerator and denominator. Now in place of cosec, substitute 1 upon sin. Take the LCM of sin. So this sin from the denominator will get cancelled. It will be 1 minus sin A and 1 plus sin A. That is your RHS. This is your RHS. Okay. So LHS equal to RHS. Similarly, question 34th is cos upon 1 minus tan A plus sin square A upon sin A minus cos A. So in place of tan, I am substituting sin upon cos. Take the LCM of cos here. Okay, so this cos will move up, that will be cos square A upon cos A minus sin A, and this bracket as it is. So this is now this is cos A minus sin A, and this is sin minus cos. So rearrange this, so therefore it will be minus. You have to write it here. So since we have taken cos in the first term, so this will be minus sin square A upon cos A minus sin A. Now these two brackets are same, so the numerator you have to write it combinedly. So this is cos square A minus sin square A upon cos A minus sin A. Now this is A square minus B square, so A plus B, A minus B. Sin bracket will get cancelled. This negative bracket will get cancelled. So what is remaining is cos A plus sin A, that is your RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Question 35th here is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus tan A. You have to prove it equal to sec A. Now cos A 1 plus sin A In place of tan, I am substituting sin A upon cos A. Now take the LCM. So it will be cos A 1 plus sin A. This will be cos square A plus sin A 1 plus sin A. So now multiply sin A inside the bracket. So it will be cos square A plus sin A plus sin square A, and the denominator as it is, that is cos A 1 plus sin A. Now this cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1 here. So it will be 1 plus sin A in the numerator, and to the denominator will be cos A 1 plus sin A. So this bracket will get cancelled. So remaining is 1 upon cos A, and 1 upon cos A means sec A, that is our RHS. Hence proved. Question 36 here is sin plus cos, tan plus cot. So in place of tan and cot you have to substitute these values. Take the LCM of this bracket, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So the numerator becomes 1 here, right? Now split the denominator. So sin upon this denominator plus cos upon this denominator. So here sin and cos will get cancelled. So what will remain is 1 upon cos and 1 upon sin. So therefore 1 upon cos is sec and 1 upon sin is cosec. That is our RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Question 37 here. 1 plus tan. So this is 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A is sec square A. 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. We have to prove that is equal to this one now. Now sec means 1 upon cos and cosec means 1 upon sin. So sec means 1 upon cos square A. Cosec means 1 upon sin square A. Take the LCM. So it will be sin square A cos square A, and this will be sin square A plus cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1, therefore numerator is 1 here. This will be sin square A cos square A. Now in place of cos square A I am substituting 1 minus sin square A. So this is sin square A 1 minus sin square A. Now multiply sin square A in the bracket. So it will be 1 minus sin square A minus square is 4. So sin raised to 4A. That is our RHS. Hence proved. Question 38 here is sec square A plus cosec square A under root. So sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. Cosec is 1 plus cot square A. So 1 plus 1 is 2 tan square A plus cot square A. Okay. Now in place of 2 here we can write 2 multiplied by tan A and cot A, because tan equal to 1 upon cot or cot equal to 1 upon tan. Okay. So this will be 2 itself. Now this is of the form a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So a plus b the whole square. Now square and square root will get cancelled, therefore tan plus cot, that is our RHS. Hence proved. Question 39. Tan plus cot, cosec minus sin, sec minus cos. So in place of tan substitute sin upon cos, in place of cot it is cos upon sin, cosec is 1 upon sin and sec is 1 upon cos, right? Take the LCM of all the 3 brackets. For each of the bracket here, cos into sin, this will be sin square plus cos square A. This will be 1 minus sin square A upon sin A, and 1 minus cos square A upon cos A. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A, and 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Therefore here this cos square A will get cancelled with this cos A and cos A, as this is all multiplication. Since no sign is there, so multiplication, all the 3 brackets are in multiplication. So these 2 will be cos square A and these 2 will be sin square A, will get cancelled. So the answer is 1 here, that is your RHS that we needed to prove as 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So these were the following questions. It is quite important for ICSE board. You need to practice a lot for this prove the following questions. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Get the Math.